Hello, our task is snipe IT in our local environment or in cloud. For that one, our requirements is I'm going to set up this using AWS account. If you have a AWS account, then go with that. Otherwise, we have to create AWS account. There we have to set up instance. It is in Linux server. So let's see. Let's start our task. Go to AWS console. There we have a launch instance. For doing this step, I am going with Ubuntu server. For practicing purpose, T2 micro is enough. Put all as in default. Storage, I'll give this is for 30 GB. Key value pair as the server name should be big snipe IT. Create a security group. If you have any existing security group, go with this. Otherwise, you have to create. I'll go with create new security group. Let's see the review. Then launch the instance. If you have a existing key pair, go with that. Otherwise, you have to create. I have already existing key pair. I'll go with this launch instance. Then the view instance. Go to EC2 dashboard. It will take 1 minute to run the instance. After that, we have to SSH. Now it is ready. Now we are going to SSH this. Go to that pump file where it is located. Open command prompt or git bash anything. I am using git bash here. If you don't have a git bash, if you want to try to with git bash, download git bash download. Go to this official site. There we have Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix softwares. Download it. Now it is connected. Let's see. Yes. Now we have to start our process. First of all, we have to update the packages. Then go install Apache. Next, install MariaDB server or MySQL server. I'm going with the MySQL server. Next is to set up the secure installation. It will take some time. Set up password strong as can. Let's give a password. Do you wish to continue with this password? Yes. Remove anonymous user? Yes. Disallow root login remotely? Yes. Re- Remove test database and access it? Yes. Reload privileges table? Yes. Get that. Next, to install PHP. Downloading the packages. Let's see the version of the PHP. It is 7.4.3. I'll configure this PHP for creating this file. Memory limit as 256. Upload maximum file size is 100 MB. Maximum execution time is 360. Maximum input variables are 1500. Keep it and comment this and put 1500 there. That's it. Now then restart the Apache server. Then create database. For that one, connect with the database. Enter password. Now we are going to create database with a database name. Create user with identified with the password. Here I am giving the username as sniperT1. Password is there and grant the permissions for that user. I am going to give all. Then flush the privileges. Exit over from there. Next to install Git for cloning the Git sniperT and composer also. For that one we have to install this curl. Go to this. There we have to set up this sniperT folder with this. They are going to cloning that sniperT repo. It is processing. It is cloning the all files from the GitHub. The next step is we have a .env .example file that is going to copy into .env file. Set up this. It is copied. Now we are going to configure that. Here we configure the localhost, then here true. Here the URL in place of we are going to give our instance IP address, private IP. That should be unique. Let's see here database name is naivit. Here the username is naivit1. The password is Praveen dot capital P12 at the right. That's enough. Save it. Then go to Snap IT. There we have to install composer file. Yes. It will take 10 to 12 minutes. For that, I am going to pause this video for after completion of this command. I have to restart it.